Healthy skin from within, foods, fitness, and skincare routines. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Today we're going to talk about your largest and most visible organ, your skin. Your skin isn't just for looks. It protects you, regulates temperature, and reflects your inner health. In this video, I'll show you how to get healthier, glowing skin from the inside out with the right foods, fitness routines, and skincare tips that actually work. If you want clearer, smoother, stronger skin, hit that like button and let's dive in. Section 1. Why skin health starts from within. Your skin reflects what's happening inside your body. Poor diet, dehydration, stress, or lack of sleep often shows up as breakouts, dullness, or irritation. To get real, lasting results, you have to care for your skin from the inside first, not just the surface. That means nourishing it with the right nutrients, movement, and daily care. Section 2. Best foods for glowing skin. Here are some of the best foods to feed your skin from within. 1. Avocados, rich in healthy fats and vitamin E that keep your skin moisturized and elastic. 2. Berries, loaded with antioxidants that protect skin from free radical damage. 3. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, provide omega-3s that reduce inflammation and support supple skin. 4. Sweet potatoes and carrots, full of beta-carotene which helps your skin glow and protects against UV damage. 5. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, packed with zinc, selenium, and skin-healing nutrients. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Hydrated skin is healthier, plumper, and naturally radiant. Section 3. Exercise for skin health. Exercise isn't just for your muscles, it's great for your skin too. 1. Cardio workouts. Running, cycling, or brisk walking increases blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. 2. Sweating it out. Sweating can help clear out pores and remove toxins from your skin. Just be sure to cleanse afterward. 3. Yoga and deep breathing. These reduce stress hormones like cortisol that contribute to acne and inflammation. 4. Resistance training. Helps balance hormones and improve circulation. All good news for your skin. Tip: always wash your face after a workout to remove sweat, oil, and bacteria. Section 4. Simple skincare habits that work. You don't need a 10-step routine, just consistent care with clean ingredients. 1. Cleanse gently, morning and night. Use a mild cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Don't strip your natural oils. 2. Moisturize daily. Even oily skin needs moisture. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. 3. Apply sunscreen. Every morning, UV damage is the #1 cause of premature aging. Don't skip it, even on cloudy days. 4. Avoid harsh scrubs or alcohol-based products. They can disrupt your skin barrier and lead to irritation. Change pillowcases regularly and keep your hands off your face. Your skin is a reflection of how you treat your body, and when you nourish it, move your body, and care for it daily, your glow becomes natural. Top takeaway: forget the filters. True radiance comes from inside. So feed your body, protect your skin, and stay consistent. If you're ready to glow from within, give this video a thumbs up, share your favorite skin tip in the comments, and subscribe to Health and Fitness University for weekly health and beauty guidance. Glow naturally, care deeply, live healthy,